Learn English by Joy.
Prepositions of place with sentences. On. On. The book is on the desk. In. In. She looks at herself in the mirror. Over. Over. The girl is jumping over the rope. Under. Under. Hide under the table during an earthquake. Front. Front. The teacher is standing in front of the blackboard. Up. Up. The balloons are going up. Down. Down. They are skiing down the hill. Far. Far. They are sitting far apart. Near. Near. The Eskimo boy and his dog are near the igloo. Opposite. Opposite. They are sitting opposite each other. Behind. Behind. The girl is searching behind the bush. Between. Between. The hammock is hanging between two trees. Around. Around. The bees are flying around the hive. Beside. Beside. The girl is sitting beside the fire. Through. Through. The car is driving through the tunnel. First. First. The first player throws the ball. Last. Last. The green car crossed the finish line last. Out of. Out of. The bird is flying out of the cage. Among. Among. The flower is among the rocks. Across. Across. The children are walking across the bridge. Past. Past. The runner is going past the bench. Along. Along. He is walking along the path. Into. Into. The cat is jumping into the box.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and share our videos with your friends.